The crop tool is fairly straightforward. You can use it to change a large image like this into a smaller image by hitting return, and you've cropped it to focus on what you're interested in. Now this could be for a passport photo perhaps, so you might want to be specific about your image size that you're going to crop to. So I'm just hitting Command Z to undo that, and this time I'm going to change the crop to 2 inches by 2 inches with a resolution of 200 dots per inch, so it will print out quite clear and good quality. Now when I click and drag, it's constrained to a square shape because it's trying to keep to 2 inches by 2 inches. So if I hit return now, we've got a 2 inch by 2 inch image of 200 dots per inch. I can check that by going to image size, and we can see there that the size is exactly what we wanted. So that's quite a useful way of constraining the crop. I'm just going to undo that by hitting Command Z again. You can clear all these values by clicking on clear, and alternatively, if you want to keep them and have them to hand quite readily, then let's just set that up again. You can go to the preset picker here, and you can click to create a new preset, and it remembers the size and the resolution, so just click OK. And so now whenever you come back to the crop tool, you can select the preset picker and automatically have the right size cropping tool that you selected earlier. So let's just try that again, and there we have it, 2 inches by 2 inches again. And that's your crop tool.